The slacker boob, the stud in the dud, the shitty titty. You've probably heard these phrases before. It's where one breast makes significantly more milk than the other breast. This can happen for lots of reasons. What we do know is about 70% of people make more milk on the right side, which means about 30% make more on the left. This can happen because of anatomical differences inside the breast. They're sisters, not twins. It can happen because of a preference to feed or start the feeding on one side versus the other. And it can also be a result of the wrong size pump, where the pump is stimulating one side just a little bit better than the other. But for whatever reason you have a slacker, there's lots of strategies that you can do to help overcome it. Number one would be just offer the dud side a little bit more often first in the feeding. We know baby is going to take about 60% of that feeding from the first side. The more milk you move, the more you make. So if you want to increase side on the slacker, offer that one just a little bit more in your feeding. You can also pump the slacker side just a little more often or longer. Now that could look like a cluster pump. So you pump both sides at the same time, and then 10 minutes later just pump your slacker. Those are some different ways that you can help increase, even though it is actually quite common to have a stud in the dud. Now you know.